here we go again. I just repaired this fence. And now I have to repair it again. And I'm getting really pissed off. Because now he's doing all kinds of damage. Pulled my post out sideways. Pulled this down. And then let me take you over here. Now here's my ducks. Hi, babies. I know I don't have that. You guys have to learn to go in a pond. It's right there. But anyways, here's my duck house and my chicken house right there. Let me show you what happened over here, which is becoming really destructive. Tried to get in there. He ripped the wood out from my duck house, and thank goodness I've got this in there solidly. But he tried to, and I don't have food in there. I take the food in with me every night. And there is no other food around here because I stopped doing that a long time ago. And he's back in here, and I see he's still looking for food in the feeder, and there's nothing in there. I don't put stuff out anymore. So he keeps coming back. So I don't know what to do here. Alright, guys. I think my husband wants to spend the night out here to catch him, because he's destroying stuff around here, and it's becoming a hassle. We need to either scare him by means of noise or something, because they're trying to kill my ducks and my chickens, and you can't have that. So, you see he's parking the truck right there. So I think what he's going to do is just hide out and wait for him tonight, because he thinks he's going to be back. I really don't like him sitting in the truck, and I think what he's going to do is sit in there with a gun so he can shoot the gun and scare the crap out of him. So more, if you don't hear, like I said, if you don't hear from me, then nothing's happened. He's going to stay out there tonight in the truck with a loaded gun. I don't know why he feels like he's going to be back tonight. I don't really think he's going to be back tonight. That's my opinion. He's just going to waste his time. But if he does, he'll scare the bear. You know, and how much, I don't know if that's going to help, because my neighbor already scared him with his gun, and he's got some massive guns that he uses. So that even scares me. We'll see what happens.